Okay na. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Before we start the public meeting, first and foremost, the opening prayer to be led by Engineer Manuel Tabinga.
Ngayon po, manalangin, Panginoon, pinagdiritan ng salamatan sa araw nito sa pagkakalog ng muli. Manalangin kalitugan, pangatawat, pangatawat sa bawat isang narilitan. Panginoon, sa mga oras nito, salamat ng dito namin. Salamat ng biyaya at pagpapala at pagkakalog siya. Pinapasbog namin ang gawa namin. Pagbakan nito, Panginoon, kayo po ang manila, malamang sa gawa namin, ito ay nang maalang sa pagkakalog. Nililip ko namin ang pagpapatawad sa ratong kukulang. Magagawa namin sa isang kasalitakan. Hindi binabalik namin ang kapuriya. Pinagalis ko pangalan ng isa sa pagkakagligtas. Amen.
Amen.
Good morning to all the viewers watching the bid opening live streaming at YouTube channel and social media platform, and the bidders who are present here today, and all the back members and secretariat. In behalf of our head of the procurement entity, Hope, from DPW's Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, District Engineer Noel Pentavella, and OIC Assistant District Engineer Rochelle Hermano, our back chairman, presently not around because he is out of station for official business attending the District Engineer's course at DPW Central Office. As back vice chairman, I will be the one presiding for today's back meeting. We are having a pre-bid conference for goods. This is to inform the prospective bidders and explaining complicated specifications and requirements as early as possible after the invitation to bid has been issued and before the bids are open. The bids and awards committee meeting for today is now called to order. May we request our OIC Office of the Assistant District Engineer, Head Procurement Unit, and Head Tax Secretariat, Sir Amel Portales, to please read the rules of attendance in the agenda of the bid conference.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Our attendance for today's meeting, June 27, 2024, for the pre-bid conference of Contract ID 24GEF 0067 and 24GEF 0068. As I call your name, please acknowledge. Sir Manuel Tabinga, back member. Sir Ederwin Gapad, back member.
Present.
Ma'am Annabel Dizon, back member.
Present.
Sir Ronald Supanga, back member.
Present.
Sir Eugenio Arcaton, back vice chairman.
Present.
Out of 7 members, 5 members are present, and therefore there is quorum. Also present are back secretariat, yours truly, Arnel Portales and Abelardo Tupas. Okay. Our agenda of pre-bid conference today, June 27, 2024, for contract ID 24GF 0067 supply of fuel, oil, and lubricants for use in DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, Nara, Palawan. And for contract ID 24GF0068, supply of fuels and lubricants for use of heavy equipment, service vehicle, grass cutter, and chainsaw, assigned at DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, Nara, Palawan. We have number 1 agenda, basic contract data. Number 2, requirements of bidding documents. Number 3, documents to be submitted by the bidders, including technical and financial proposals. And number 4, criteria and procedure for the preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification, and award. And number 5, questions, comments from bidders and replies of bank and other representatives of procuring entity. And number 6, summary of proceedings, including bid bulletins, addenda to be issued. And lastly, other matters. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Sir Portales. May we request Engineer Juan Para to please discuss invitation to bid for goods.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We have 2 contracts scheduled for bid opening on July 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. at DPWH Building, 2nd floor, back room, Nara, Palawan. The Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office now invites bids for the supply and delivery of goods. For the first contract, contract ID 24GF0067, the supply of fuel, oil, and lubricants for use in DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office. This contract is located at Nara, Palawan. The approved budget for the contract, or the ABC, is 2,085,500 pesos. So the brief description for the contract, it is supply and delivery of fuel, oil, and lubricants. The expected date of delivery, or the contract duration, is 90 calendar days, and the cost of bidding documents for this contract is 5,000 pesos. For the next contract ID, 24GF0068, the contract name is supply of fuels and lubricants for use of heavy equipment, service vehicle, grass cutter, and chainsaw, assigned at DPWH Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office. So the contract location is at Nara, Palawan. The ABC for this contract is 3,078,250 pesos. So again, this is supply and delivery of fuels and lubricants. The expected delivery date, or the contract duration, is 90 calendar days, and the cost of bidding documents for this particular contract is 5,000 pesos. So interested bidders may obtain further information from DPWH, 2nd District Engineering Office. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders from this office upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents. Or These documents may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or the PhilJEPS. Or you may also download it from the website of this office, provided that the bidder shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents, not later than the submission of bids. So, bid submission may be done manually or electronically, online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the bid documents. All bids must be duly received by the Back Secretariat at the office address as indicated for manual submission, or electronic bids _Palawan 2nd at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in the invitation to bid, clause 16. Bid opening shall be on schedule. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidder's representatives who choose to attend the activity. Take note of this. Late bid shall not be accepted. The Department of Public Works and Highways, Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not to award the contract at any time prior to the contract award in accordance with sections 35.6 and 41 of the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulation (IRR) of RA 9184, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. So, for further information and clarification, you may contact our back chairperson, our Assistant District Engineer, Rochelle D. Hermano, or you may email him at email address back_dpwh@yahoo.com, or you may also contact our Back Secretariat Head, Engineer Arnel C. Portales. Or you may also visit the following website for downloading of bidding documents at DPWH website, www.dpwh.gov.ph, or at our PhilJEPS website, www.philjeps.gov.ph. And for online bid submission, here is the email address: electronicbids_palawan2@dpwh.gov.ph. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Sir Supanga. Sir Portales, do we have supplemental bid bulletins issued?
As of this date, wala pa po tayo anong tawag dito? Bid bulletin, wala pa.
Viewers watching YouTube channel, do you have some queries or questions?
It's not that.
Okay. If not, this ends our preview conference. The back meeting is now adjourned.